Tento šampionát vám přináší MIO, přední světový výrobce kamer do aut. MIO. All about you.
Welcome to Imola, the legendary circuit that's named after Enzo and Alfredo Ferrari hosts the opening round of the Mercedes-Benz Virtual GP 2021 season. Let's ride on board with David Pichardo of the ERT racing team. First turn is Strigado, one of the most popular overtaking spots of the circuit. Just kiss the apex nice and steady, and then it's power out through Tamburello and for the short dash down to the Varianti Villeneuve. Keep the car over hard to the right hand side, then it's one apex, needs to keep the car nice and steady, and then bounce off the second one, not too hard, otherwise you're off into the dust. Then it is Toza, one of the heaviest braking zones of the circuit. Hog the apex, and then it's hard on the gas. Hear the mighty roar of the Mercedes as we climb the hill, heading towards Paratella. The first apex on the right is very blind, but you hug the right-hand side, and then down a couple of gears, over the apex, using every available inch of the AstroTurf, before you descend down into Aqua Minerale, a very tricky double right-hander. The car wants to break away as you're trying to brake and turn at the same time. Back on the gas, up and over the crest for Varianti Alto, one of the trickiest chicanes in this circuit. The curbs are set to kill anybody that hits them too hard, and David Pichardo rides them very, very nicely using the AstroTurf on the exit, and then it is hard on the gas once again towards the legendary Bravazza. Now it's a downhill braking zone that can catch even the best drivers out. As he catches the apex on the right hand side very nicely, heavy on the brakes. It's really easy to overjudge the braking zone here because of this level of descent. Then it is hard on the gas, straight towards the line. A lot of slipstream along this start-finish straight to start the lap once again, and that is a lap of Imola.
Tento šampionát vám přináší MIO, přední světový výrobce kamer do aut. MIO. All about you.